Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Marsa Zahra Aprilia. You can call me Marsa. I'm from K6 class from English education. So, in this occasion, I want to tell you about my final project basic listening with my lecturer Syafitri Ramadhani. So, let's check it out. Yogyakarta. The Indonesian city of Yogyakarta rests on central Java, between the cool breeze of the Indian Ocean and the steamy breath of the volcanoes. In a scenic train ride from Jakarta of a short flight from Bali or Singapore. Next, Malioboro Street. Step from the main station into the bustling flow of Malioboro Street, and you could be in just about any Javanese city. This is where Jogja, as the city is known, comes to wander, shop and snack, but refinement is just a becak right away. And next, the Kraton. Cruise down Malioboro Street to the very soul of the city, the Kraton. Since this city within a city has been the home of sultans and the keeping place of the Yogyakarta incredible cultural, intellectual and spiritual traditions. While the inner palace serves as the royal family's private home, the ceremonial courtyards, pavilions, and the museum are open to all. Sariport. Nearby visit Sariport, the water palace where sultans of old and their chosen few could escape the demands of duty and the Javanese sun. Yogyakarta, coldly center, sets the tone of Javanese culture, and from here the island's arts flow forth in all their purport. In the gameless percussive magics, which drift across the Kraton's walls to far off Kampung, inspiring the maestro of tomorrow. In the endless shadows of the wayang kulit puppets, who has thousand-years-old stories of good and evil across the age. In the fine strands of silver, which have been woven into delicate artwork for centuries. In the cuisine that leans toward sweeteners rather than fire. And in the molten beeswax making its rhythmic march across the finest batiks. While Jogja is a place of tradition, it's also a place of evolving culture. Kampung Cyber or Cyber Village. Just a few steps from the Kraton, the wall of the lands of Kampung Cyber, where the community has combined the street art with online expression to forge new creative possibilities. And next, Effendi Museum. A short becak right away in the Effendi Museum, the former home, gallery, and resting place of the maverick artists who loosened the being of the tradition and the creed of a seismic shift Indonesian painting. And next, Fort Vredenburg. Jogja has long been at the epicenter of political and ideological shift as well. Just across from the presidential palace, passed through the gates of Fort Vredenburg to hear the stories of resistance and sacrifice that led to creation of the Indonesian Republic. And the last is Prambanan. Just 10 miles to the northeast of Jogja, venture back to the 8th and 9th century, to a time when Buddhists and Hindus fight the kingdom's earth and mind. Prambanan is the heart of a Hindu temple network that secrets for miles. I think that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.